Right hand on his head. Simon says, put your left hand on your head. Simon says, turn around. Take your right hand off your head.
That was sound number 1. You need to remember that. Sound number 2. This one, close your eyes, close your eyes, hold your fingers up. Okay, good, open your eyes. How many think this?
A baby crying? A jet flies over. Jets are noisy when you're overhead. A jet goes, pew!
Telephone. Do you know that game? Telephone.
Yeah. Person will like tap you on the shoulder like something or whisper in your ear, and then we will go all the way and show the last person, and then the last person will say what they heard from the first two and tell it to the first person and ask if it was correct.
I'll swim in that test tube over there, and I said, do not let those gummy bears go for a swim in the test tube. Mr. Captain, okay? Do not let them go for a swim in this test tube. Captain, please, no, don't do it! Castle, what did we do? What's going on? Gummy bears? Well, there were 2 really good little gummy bear students at the beginning of this lesson, weren't there? Like, there's not 2 good little gummy bear students anymore. Why?
Because the teacher didn't listen.
Because the teacher did not listen. That's right. So what is the moral of the story here? If there's one lesson you learn from this experiment, what is that lesson? To always pay attention. That's right. All right. Okay. Well, was that fun?
Yeah.
What do we say to Mr. Wright?
Thank you.